Hi, I'm Niels from SLS, and today we're looking at the screws found on the convertible top frame of the W113 and W107 models. When upholstery work is needed on such a convertible top, special attention should be paid to the hinge and bearing bolts. If any damage is already visible here, the bolts should definitely be replaced or made functional again. To get a precise overview of where the screws are located, we'll show the individual positions in detail shortly. All these screws have a shaft on which an adjacent linkage part rests and can pivot. And usually, there's a spring brass washer between the moving linkage parts. For the thread part, we usually have an M8 by 1 thread, and the screws are peened at the rear end with center punch marks. When intact, such a screw sits tightly screwed into the thread at the stop, and smooth movement should be possible on the shaft without rattling. On our W113 example frame, the screw types used from front to back. Screw type A, marked here in front and at other points always with green 80, used 8 times on the W113 top, 4 pieces per side. Screw type B, at this point, which only allows this countersunk head, marked with yellow B, used twice on the W113 top, 1 piece per side. Screw type C, only installed here at the top, marked with red C, like A, but with longer thread. Screw type D, installed here at the back with a larger head and shorter shaft, marked with dark blue D. Screw type E, with the long shaft axis here at the main bearing point, marked with dark green E. As you can see, some screw heads are not always freely accessible. This makes it all the more important that everything is tight and in good condition before upholstery work. On the W107 convertible top frame, the following screw types can be found, also viewed from front to back. Screw type V, marked in brown, 2 M5 countersunk screws per side. Screw type F, marked in dark red, once per side. Screw type G, marked in turquoise, recessed here in the tube bracket and installed with a polyamide washer. This screw type appears again later and is installed 4 times in total. Screw type A, marked in light green, installed 6 times, here, and later at one of the lower joint points. Screw type H, marked in orange, installed twice, here, and here. On the left, you can see the peened thread ends of screw type A. At the bottom of the frame, you can see screw type A again, outlined in light green. Next to it on the right, you can see the thread end of screw type P, marked in dark blue and installed 4 times in total. Easily recognizable by its countersunk head, here's screw type K, marked in pink, installed twice. Here from the front again, screw type G in turquoise with similar function as type K, but with flat head instead of countersunk head. Here's screw type M, marked in violet, installed twice. Here you can see bolt type Z marked in gray without thread with its corresponding retaining clip, installed once per side. And here again the view of type P in the middle, type G to the right of it and type A to the left. Here we see all the screws again with their corresponding part numbers. I hope this video has helped shed some light on the convertible top mechanism, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.